When I was growing up, I read a lot of biographies and autobiographies. You know, I was fascinated by a lot of historical figures. The computer field was quite young, but already there were people like Ken Olsen, Gordon Bell, who'd done incredible work.
I think we've got a wonderful story. The evolution of computing has been a great thing, and I happen to believe that the computer is the greatest invention ever.
I like the history. Even before my time, machines that I had barely heard of, actually going and seeing what they look like, physical sizes, and looking at some of the nomenclature on the switches and thinking about the people that used them.
The semiconductor industry has made bigger changes in a few decades than printing has over a few centuries.
When I was a student at MIT, we all shared a computer. It took up half a building. It's an IBM 7094. Maybe it's here. It costs tens of millions of dollars. The computer in your cell phone today is 1,000,000 times cheaper and 1,000 times more powerful.
We are recording the events of history contemporaneously with them happening. Rarely in history do you have a chance to do that. Wouldn't you love to be able to hear Michelangelo talk about what it was like to paint the Sistine Chapel?
This is a remarkable place, and I support the heck out of it. I really think it's an important thing.
That's what a museum is about, is being able to understand the history of what's been happening and to see it and feel it.
When I was a graduate student and I was complaining about the borough's architecture, my faculty member told me, study it. Even if you don't like it, there's something exceptional in there that got it to be successful. You need to know what that is. That's what the Computer History Museum is all about.